What's up, everybody? PB from Anvil here. I have something fun to show you. We have completed Metadraft. What is Metadraft? Well, you may remember Metadraft is the all-in-one metadata solution for your project. All you got to do is follow the steps in here, and you'll have a complete, polished output. It's compliant with Cardano ecosystem. It's perfect output for the chain, and great-looking metadata. So we've been through this before, but we've added some new stuff in here. I'll walk through each little section quickly, then show an example. First off, we can create a project now. So we got a simple gated step process here. We'll just call it PBArg. Cool. In here, we've got our JSON creator, as well as an awesome FAQ where you can learn a bit about the terminology and what you need to do for your metadata. And you've got an example here that you can come in, use as a template, edit right in here if you'd like, so that you can actually come in and edit the fields right in the assets, and start to play around with creating the metadata for your new collection. There are tooltips along the way, which you can enable, so you can learn what you're doing at each step. I'll just click through them real quick. You can read them when you come check out the platform. We're also going to look at them. So as you're coming through, save your structure, rules section, data validation, summary. Let's go look at those for a project that we've already built. So I've downloaded the example right here on the Metadraft homepage. And all I'm going to do is take this and drag it right into there. And we'll see it pulls in formatting, a little bit of info, as well as all the attributes for the NFTs. Save this structure. We'll click through, look at the rules section. This is amazing. It's a simple toggle for you to add any of the rules for your metadata needed on Cardano. So it'll really keep your metadata clean. For example, making sure all your case types are the same, capital letters. You've got no errors in punctuation. The names line up and are the same. So we've built a little bit of tooling around that to catch the little things that you have to go back and fix later, where you got to do on-chain updates, and it's a huge pain in the ass. So that's this section for us here. Moving on to the next step, we've got our NFT data validation. Wow, look at that. We've got a full output where we can come in, take a look at the asset individually, mark as valid, flag an error. Boom. No warnings when we mark that one as valid. Got a little check mark here, so we could come through and check each individual asset, make sure it looks like you wanted it to, like it's displaying like you wanted it to. Your NFTs are going to show up exactly as you intend if you walk through the process. And we've got the demo on there for you to check it out. So I'll back it up. Next step. And this would be your basic summary. We can come in, see the root, look at the various different characteristics. This is the count of attributes, the basically the makeup of the collection. So it's important to understand the amount something shows up in a given collection, a given attribute. Outside that, you can come view all the rules that you associated with the individual NFTs. And we can export the project. There you go. Pretty amazing tool. Can't wait for you to try it. Can't wait for metadata to be amazing. Can't wait for your metadata to be amazing. That's all I got.